Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to make the easiest Brazilian dessert ever, Brigadeiro. The ingredients needed for today's recipe are 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 4 tablespoons of chocolate powder, 2 tablespoons of margarine or butter. In a pan, add the butter, the sweetened condensed milk, and the chocolate powder. Stir everything over medium heat. When it starts heating up, lower the heat and keep stirring non-stop to prevent it from burning. The key to brigadeiro is its consistency, and it's really up to your taste. If you prefer a creamier brigadeiro, remove it from the heat a little earlier. For a firmer texture, cook it a bit longer. In our case, our preferred point of the brigadeiro is when it thickens and starts to pull away from the bottom of the pan, as we are showing here. Let it cool for a thicker and spoonable dessert. You can serve it on a plate or straight from the pan. And that's it! Brigadeiro ready to enjoy in a few minutes. We Brazilians love this sweet for its flavor and simplicity. Today we have 3 golden tips that can help enhancing this recipe. The first tip is that you can always experiment other flavors. The chocolate one we showed you guys is the most classic and traditional, but there are so many other recipes that are very delicious on the internet, and we also want to bring them to our channel as well. You definitely should try them out. Our next tip is that some recipes suggest adding table cream to the brigadeiro to make it creamier. If you choose to add this ingredient, then do not add the butter, because this will help preventing the brigadeiro to become too greasy. The last tip is that chocolate powder has much more sugar than cocoa powder, which makes your brigadeiro sweeter. If you really like a slightly bitter sweet treat, you can use the cocoa powder, but you may add it less than the amount indicated in this recipe, which was meant for the chocolate powder, because if you add too much, it will become a very strong flavor. Well, that was it, everyone! I hope you try this recipe at home and feel a little closer to Brazilian culture. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious and easy Brazilian recipes, and then comment down below any suggestions that you might have. Thank you for watching and for giving us a little bit of your time. Lots of blessings and love from Brazil. See ya!